Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the ZoomIt tool, which is actually developed by Microsoft. You can easily zoom, record your screen, share screenshots, everything you can do with this tool. If you directly type ZoomIt, the very first link which appears, it's actually a screen zoom annotation recording, screen recording tool, which is developed by Microsoft. And I personally use this tool a lot to actually zoom on the screen. So as you will see, I'm doing the zooming out there. So and actually annotating the stuff. So this is really useful whenever I'm making a tutorial based video. So I do need to zoom in on something and actually annotate it. So this is all that I'm doing it using this tool, which is called as ZoomIt, and it's a completely free to safe tool developed by Microsoft. And you can simply click the download button. As you see, it's just a small tool, 24 megabytes. So I've already downloaded this. So once you download this, by default it actually resides inside your C directory. After you install this, simply run the setup file, and this will create this folder which is ZoomIt. So check your C directory and simply go to this. And now to actually launch this, you need to run these two applications: ZoomIt, the main application, and ZoomIt 64. I'm already running this, so this will appear this icon. As you see, the icon will appear like this, ZoomIt 2. So once you launch this, the window will come directly right here, as you see. So I've already done that. Also run this one as well. So by default, Control plus 1 is the actual shortcut key by default on keyboard to actually zoom on the screen, zoom on any particular part of the screen. Control plus 1. But here you can also change it. So this is actually the toggle. You can put any keyboard shortcut. You can simply, by default it is checked, which is animate, zoom in and out. So these are all the settings of this tool. ZoomIt, how much zoom level you want. So by default it is set to 2. Then we have live zoom, which is control 4 to enter. Then we also have the annotate feature. You can draw using pen, pencil, color, everything, as you see. If you want to break it, you can see this is also a nice feature to highlight something using this. So this is done through control 3. And then we also have recording as well. So if you do want to record your screen, by default the shortcut key is control 5. So if I hit control 5, now the screen is recording. So I can zoom it. So now the screen is recording. So right here I can simply stop the recording, and it will save it as a MP4 file. So I can simply save this, and now let me see the recording. As you see, it has created this MP4 file. So if I try to open this, you will see that it has taken the screen recording and simply save it as an MP4 file. So it can, this single application can do all the stuff. It can zoom inside your screen at a particular location. It can annotate. It can even save video as well if you do want to get the screen recording. So this tool by Microsoft, definitely check this out guys, this tool, ZoomIt. And by default it will be present whenever you install this. It will be present in the C directory, and just launch this for the very first time, and you can adjust all these options, and by default it will be present right here. So definitely check this out, this tool ZoomIt.